Hey family, listen, I'm sitting here trying to get some work done and I thought I'd pop on to share some very important news with you. Um, we've been getting quite a few calls in regards to life insurance, and that kind of makes sense. In light of COVID, people are thinking about these things. For those of you who don't know, my family and I, we do own a financial services agency. And so one of the biggest things that we do is provide life insurance to families. But beyond providing life insurance, we also do free consultations. And sometimes what that looks like is just us sitting down with you, looking over your paperwork, looking over what you already have in place, making sure that it is sufficient. And the reason I popped on today is because I had a client, and she called because she was informed by her insurance company, not a company that I didn't write her policy is what I'm trying to say. But they called her and they told her that her policy was in danger of lapsing. Now, in her mind, she's thinking she had a permanent life insurance policy and she was good, covered for the rest of her life. And what she found out was that was not the case. I cannot stress enough how important it is for you to know exactly what you have. Life insurance is a fantastic vehicle to make sure that your family's taken care of in the event of death. It is also an amazing vehicle to make sure that you can pass on wealth generationally even. There's so much you can do with it, but if you are not sure about what you have, it is not going to benefit you the way you think it is in a lot of cases. So it's so important. Hi Melody, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Hello Bishop. So what I want you to know is that you have to sit down every year and review your policies. If you are not reviewing your policies every year, then things could happen. Things could change, mostly because we're not clear in general what we have. Sometimes it's not that somebody fooled you or tricked you. It's just that after so much time has passed and you haven't revisited the ins and outs, things change and you weren't aware of it. So you need to stay on top of that. What I am offering you guys today is, because this is my business and it's what we do, because there are people across the nation who have policies. I am offering free consultations to anyone. If you have an old policy, you haven't looked at it in a while, your agent hasn't gotten in touch with you in years, go ahead and click the link and schedule your free consultation. This way we can review what you have. Sometimes what you have is great. There's nothing that needs to be done. Other times what you have is not supporting your goals for your future. Other times, it may be that you've got too much. Just depends. But let's look at it. Let's look at it together. I will never tell you to change anything that's going to benefit you. If it is not going to benefit you and I can find it, then we can make changes, then we'll do that. If I can't make changes, but changes can be made, I can tell you that. But it's so important that you know ahead of time. You don't want to be caught not having what you need. Okay, so once again, for everybody that's joining in, I want to thank you for joining me. Hi Elita. Hi, hey, that's Elle. How you doing, sir? Listen, if you have life insurance, you need to know what you have. Melody, go ahead and you can slide in my inbox and I'll get back to you. We can definitely talk. You need to know what you have. You need to know the type of policy you have, what it covers, what it doesn't cover, the ups, the downs, the ins, the outs, right? That's important. It's highly important. If you don't understand it, that's what we're here for. Hey, Shaitan, how you doing? That's what we're here for, to help you get some understanding. If you don't have life insurance and you need it, you need it, then that's also what we're here for. Give us a call. Click the link, schedule your free consultation, get in my inbox, do what you got to do so that we can get this taken care of for you. There's no reason that you can't be covered in most cases. Now, You know, there are some people who you got some illnesses and you can't be covered, but there's other things that you can do. If you're not insurable, there are other ways that you can save, because saving is important, but where you save is even more important. If you don't have these things understood and you're not doing what's working for you and your family and your goals, when it comes down to it, you're going to be left out. We don't want that to happen to you. So that's it. I just wanted to pop in and share that with you guys. If this has been a blessing to you, go ahead and like and share with somebody else. If we can help one person, we've done our job for the day. All right. Bye for now.